Welcome back to PropW Academy. Today, we're tackling one of the most important concepts in trading: risk to reward ratios. If you've ever wondered, how come some traders only win half their trades but still end up profitable? This is the lesson that explains exactly why. So grab your notebook, because this could be the turning point in your prop trading journey. Section 1. What is expectancy in trading? Let's start with the big picture. Trading isn't about one trade, or even 10 trades. It's about what happens over time, over 50, 100, or even 1,000 trades. That's where expectancy comes in. Expectancy is simply win rate times average win, minus loss rate times average loss. Don't worry if that looks technical. Here's the takeaway: you don't have to win every trade. What matters is how much you make when you're right compared to how much you lose when you're wrong. Example: if you win 50% of the time, and every win gives you $200, but every loss only costs you $100, your expectancy is plus $50 per trade. That means if you take 100 trades, you're statistically on track to make $5,000 even with just 50% accuracy. So the real question is not, how often do I win? But, how much do I win compared to how much I lose? Section 2. Why 1 to 2 plus risk-reward ratio matters in prop firm challenges. Unlike your personal account, these challenges come with rules and strict limits. You break the rule, you lose your account. That's why the 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio is the sweet spot for funded traders. Here's why. Let's say you risk $100 per trade aiming to make $200. Over 10 trades, you win 4 times, that's plus $800. You lose 6 times, that's minus $600. Net result: you're still profitable with just 40% accuracy. Now imagine going for 1:3. Suddenly, you can win only 3 out of 10 trades. That's 30% accuracy, and you're still profitable. That's the secret. Funded traders don't chase high win rates, they chase good risk-reward setups. That's how they pass challenges consistently. Section 3. Filtering bad trades with poor risk-to-reward ratio. Here's one of the fastest ways traders blow challenges: taking poor risk-to-reward ratio trades. Look, not every trade deserves your money. Before you click that buy or sell button, ask yourself, does this setup give me at least 1 to 2 risk-reward? If the answer is no, skip it. Passing a challenge is not about taking every trade you see. It's about taking high-quality trades only. Think of it like this: PropW isn't funding you to gamble, they're funding you to make disciplined and calculated decisions. So build the habit of filtering your trades. It protects your account, and it protects your mindset. Section 4. Case studies: winning despite low accuracy. Now, let's bust a myth. You don't need a 70% win rate to succeed. Let's compare 2 traders. Trader A. Accuracy, 35%. Setup, 1 to 3 risk-reward. Over 10 trades. Wins, 3 times $300 equals plus $900. Losses, 7 times $100 equals minus $700. Net equals plus $200 profit. Trader B. Accuracy, 70%. Setup, 1 to 1 risk-reward. Over 10 trades. Wins, 7 times $100 equals plus $700. Losses, 3 times $100 equals minus $300. Net equals plus $400 profit. Both made money, but notice the difference. Trader A, even with low accuracy, is still profitable because of high risk-reward. Trader B looks good on paper, but one bad streak could easily wipe him out. Final takeaways. So, what's the big lesson here? If you want to succeed in prop trading, remember these 4 principles. Expectancy is greater than win rate, profitability comes from math, not ego. Stick to at least 1 to 2 risk-reward, it gives you breathing room to stay profitable. Filter ruthlessly: if it's not high quality, skip it. Discipline beats accuracy: even at 30 to 40% win rates, you can still thrive. Do this, and you'll already be ahead of 80% of traders who fail challenges. So the next time you're about to take a trade, pause and ask yourself, is this setup helping my expectancy or just feeding my impulse? Thanks for watching. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to check out other PropW Academy videos for more tips and strategies. See you next lesson.